Hi guys, I'm so happy today. This microwave since late last year till now has been giving us problems. We have repaired it thrice if I'm not wrong, starting from the light going off at a point. We later repaired it. Then this thing all of a sudden it stopped rolling. We repaired it, and then the last problem was that it doesn't warm the food anymore. So my husband called me today and was like telling me to make swallow for him, make swallow for him. I was like, how can I make swallow? Sure, you know the microwave is not working. So I need to boil the soup first, you know, before anything. He was like, I should make swallow for him, make eba for him. So I made the eba and kept. And ho and behold, my husband surprised me with a new microwave. These few days have been hectic. You know, warming food with pot and water hasn't been easy. I'm so happy. Oh. This is nice. Join me and let's unbox together. I hope this brand is as good as the LG, because the LG has been with my husband even before he got married to me and it's still working, you know. So I pray this beats it. I told my husband to leave the unboxing for me, Omo. See me sweating like a Christmas goat. Jesus. It's not for the faint-hearted at all. Oh, see our microwave. Wow. Okay, it came with its own roller too. Wow. That's nice. I will see if I can take it up to where the other one was. If not, I'll leave it for my husband. I'm going to mount it myself. I'm strong enough, you know. So let's first remove the wire and get it ready. Oh yeah, let's go. I did it! Jesus. Oh, did you hear that sound? Bim! It's working! And our microwave is ready to be used. I'm so happy. I'm the happiest lady right now.